గిరిజనులతో కలిసి రెండో డోసు మండల పరిధిలోని కేసీ తాండా అంగన్వాడీ కేంద్రంలో సోమవారం రాష్ట్ర గవర్నర్ తమిళిసై సౌందరరాజన్ గిరిజనులతో కలిసి కోవిడ్ వ్యాక్సిన్ రెండో డోసు తీసుకున్నారు. వ్యాక్సిన్ పట్ల గిరిజనుల్లో ఉన్న అపోహలు తొలగించేందుకు గిరిజనులతో కలిసి గవర్నర్ టీకా తీసుకున్నట్లు అధికారులు తెలిపారు.
రక్షణ పొందాలి. Thank you so much to the little knowledge. I was trying to talk in the great language Telugu, one of our South Indian great language Telugu. So, and my respects to you all, and my respects to, as I said, Madam Sabita Reddy Garu, and I have heard about you, I have visited. Now I could see the affection of the people. You are the not only the minister, you are the local MLA, and the affection and the love the people are pouring on you, it indicates the great service you are rendering to this society. And Dr. Anita Reddy Garu, Shila Parishad chairperson, and I am really very happy to know that you are also a gynecologist. So politicians, gynecologists changing into politician, really I am very happy. And then Sri Magesh Bhagavat, see who is he? Commissioner of Police. Thank you very much for being here. And Sri Pratik Jain, Additional Collector, Rangareddy District. I'm very happy to, so nowadays doctors are changing into collectors, so I really, it's a great honor to felicitate you here. And Sri Raghurama Reddy and Srimati Sunita Andiya and Sri Motilal, a good speech and very people friendly Sarpanch, and Sri Surendra Mohan Garu IAS, who has accompanied me, and Sri Raghu Prasad, Joint Secretary, and my ADCs, and my husband Dr. Soundararajan, and all the people of the sisters, brothers of this village, my media friends, all security personnel, and Andariki Namaskaram. I am really very happy to take my second dose of vaccine along with tribal people in KC Tanda. I am always concerned about the vaccination of the tribal people. I have been calling for 100% vaccination of the tribal population in our Telangana state. Since beginning of the vaccination, I have been exhorting people to shun the vaccine hesitancy. Vaccine is one of the greatest inventions in our country to protect more than 130 crore people. And as the citizen of Telangana, I am first citizen of Telangana, and we all, as citizens of Telangana, we should be proud because the Covaxin is from our state and it is from the Genome Valley. And our Honorable Prime Minister, when there were efforts in producing the vaccine, our Honorable Prime Minister visited the Covaxin Center and he encouraged, and now we are very proud that we are taking our indigenous vaccine, which is not available in most of the developed countries too. So I am very proud that my country has produced vaccine in this critical situation of pandemic situation. Even some of the developed countries didn't have this pride. We cannot imagine a situation where we depend upon other countries to supply vaccine to protect more than 130 crore people. Indigenous vaccine development under the visionary leadership of our Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji is our biggest victory, biggest achievement in the recent history. Our indigenous vaccine have become very useful in vaccinating our people. We have achieved the distinction of being the second largest vaccinating country with more than 35 crore of vaccine doses administered. So we are the second country, largest vaccinated country. This is the amazing achievement for the democratic and developing countries like us. We could develop our own vaccine. I think we are leading. In short, we are leading, and we may want to translate.